Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to power button on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down a bit and find convenience tools. And now we have to just turn on this option, Wake Google Assistant with power button. And now when we hold our power button, we're gonna wake our Google Assistant. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!